Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus is worth buying. We got to spend some time with Samsung's latest true wireless earphones, the Galaxy Buds Plus, and we are ready to share some early impressions. The most notable change is the battery life. Samsung is promising almost double the playback time of the original Galaxy Buds, with the Buds Plus doing 11 hours on a charge. To achieve this, the company has upgraded the batteries inside each bud from 58 mAh to 85 mAh, quite the boost. The carrying case, on the other hand, offers just 18 mAh more capacity, 270 mAh. Charging speed has been improved too, and you can now get 60 minutes of playback time in just 3 minutes of charging. Sound quality is another thing that Samsung has worked on. Now in each bud, you have a woofer and a tweeter in a two-way driver arrangement. We'll need to spend more time with the Buds Plus, and preferably in an environment quieter than a packed Samsung press event, to know how much of a difference that makes, but it's looking positive. Once more, the buds themselves don't have active noise cancellation when listening to music, but they bring an extra microphone for in-call noise cancelling. Seeing how that was a major weak point of the Galaxy Buds, we'd say this is the most welcome upgrade. The ambient sound feature that lets the noise around you pass through to you is also at hand, and should also work better thanks to that extra mic. It's a neat functionality to have when you want to hear someone talking to you, or when you are cycling in a city with busy traffic. The app on the phone lets you adjust how much of the ambient noise you want to hear. The headphones also offer deeper integration with Spotify, and there are a couple of gestures that work exclusively with the Spotify app. Still, you get the main gestures working across the board, so you can control all your music apps with the Buds Plus. All in all, the Galaxy Buds Plus offer a sensible upgrade over its predecessors without asking too much in return. They launch with $150 in the US, which is more than $20 compared to their predecessors, but considering the upgrades they bring, may be a reasonable investment. We'll report back once we get them for a full review.